Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In last video we implemented a method called contains, which is actually looking up a word if that word exists or not. And in this video we are actually going to traverse our trie and we are going to print the word in our console. So to traverse that, there are two ways to traverse our trie, that is pre-order and post-order. Okay, in pre-order you print the root node first and then you go down, and in post order traverser you print from the last leaf node and then you go up. So first we are going to implement the pre-order traverser where we print from root node onwards. Okay, so let's implement that traverse. Let's pass our root node, create method. Perfect. Okay, now let's print our value of the root node, root dot value, and now you're supposed to run a loop for each trie node that is a child. So for each of the child from this root dot get children, and how do we get the children from this particular node? We are actually just supposed to traverse this child. That's it. We haven't implemented this get children method, so let's implement that first. Okay, so public node array, that is actually a trie node, get children. So return children dot values dot to-char array. And so IntelliJ identified that we are trying to return a trie node array, so it has already passed that argument. That's quite intelligent of IntelliJ. So yes, we are able to get the children for that particular root. Okay, so now let's use it in our method. What we want to do, we want to print it. First, what we are trying to do, we are printing the value of the root node, and then for each of the child we are traversing it again. Okay, so I guess that's all we need for the implementation. So let's try go ahead and run this method. What we are getting, CA PTN, basically cap, cat and can. This is printing in a order, that in order we are getting the child nodes. Okay, so we are able to print our nodes perfectly fine. Okay, so what we did, we have created a traverse method, we have passed our root node, we have printed the value of the root node, and then for each of the child, for the children of that particular root node, we have traversed it. Okay, and to get the children we have implemented this method get children, which is actually giving us values and converting it to true array, and we are passing what type of array we want. So that's all we are doing in traverse method, and we are able to print the words in our trie. We can print it in a better way as well, I understand, but that's how you implement your traverse method. So that's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you in the next one.